morning. It's 8:05. Slept in a bit. I was a little bad and I stayed up late watching Stranger Things. You know, because I can download some Netflix shows to my phone in town. So that was a nice treat because I like Stranger Things. Anyways, very happy. My beer bag is still hanging up over there. So nobody ate my food and I can have a breakfast. All right. 8:30 and on my way. An hour later than I wanted. But it was a nice rest. Which way is it? That's why you carry a GPS. I'm going down and then I'm going to climb something. Most likely what's straight ahead of me. Most likely. My hat almost flew away. I had to run after it and grab it, but I got it. It's windy every time I come to an open area, but when I get into the trees, it's not too bad. So windy! Wow. Okay. More up, admiring the view. More ups and downs. So I was told that the mountain straight ahead is the last mountain before Helena. So I gotta go around, up and down, 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 and then over there. Whoops. And hopefully tomorrow afternoon make it through. Down and up. Look at this rocky descent. Very slippy. I'm tomato faced and dripping sweat, but just completed the last big climb of the day, and there is a decent view up here. Check it out. Check it. I'm taking a lot of breaks because there's another hiker to talk to. I thought I was going to be totally alone for this section, so it's always nice to have a bit of company.
Meet you, Dan.
Okay.
I'm where in the world is Carmen Sandiego?
Ah,
She's a sentence.
Or just Carmen?
that'll do.
Move out the way. Why are there more cows coming over here? You're supposed to... Oh, that's... Oh, well. Hi. Cows can be dangerous.
They can. You just gotta, keep your distance. I know, cow. I just want water. Let me get water. Thank you.
How's this looking? 6-1. The cows are gone. This guy scared them. CDT is Choose Your Own Adventure Trail. So going off-road for a bit of a shortcut. Or rather, off-trail.
Hi, cow.
The road.